The novel coronavirus has become one of the biggest healthcare challenges of modern civilization, having ripple effects on virtually every sphere of life in more than 200 countries. At first, the world's efforts were concentrated at containing the spread of the virus. But after a year of scientific uncertainty, there are vaccines that seem like they may work in the near future. From January 2020, when the first case of COVID-19 was recorded in India, our frontline workers have faced the mammoth challenge of dealing with a dangerous virus we still don't fully understand. By the month of September, India had the second highest number of cases in the world.
Disease is new for us also. The infrastructure depends upon the requirements of the patient. So we have requirement of personal protection equipments, we have requirements of N95 masks. Before that, no one used N95 masks. The requirements are new and their fulfillment is also very difficult for us.
In the midst of this adversity, United Way Mumbai and Coca-Cola Foundation came together to help the fight against COVID-19. Jointly with the foundation, we identified target groups and reviewed their needs, so that we only focused on where the system was overwhelmed with the spike in the number of cases. Our big idea was to collaborate with local NGO partners to arrange timely supplies of personal protection equipment kits, sanitizers, gloves, and other critical materials to healthcare workers, sanitation workers, police personnel, and community health workers. The aim was also to assist hospitals in strengthening their infrastructure through life-saving equipment crucial to enable access to medical interventions for COVID-19. Beginning our groundwork in 8 of the worst hit states in India, we understood that these critical interventions could help the medical community and frontline workers minimize the risk of contracting the virus. In 4 districts of Punjab, our partner United Way Delhi worked directly with the district magistrates to assess their requirements.
The government was very appreciative because many agencies were not very active in the space of understanding the needs of frontline workers.
While in Delhi and Haryana, they tackled the alarming amounts of biomedical waste by procuring and distributing autoclaves.
A lot of these PPEs are getting infected with the COVID virus. The bigger problem which is posed to society is how do you discard such toxic waste. Autoclave is one of the most important piece of equipment when it comes to our fight against COVID.
And in Gujarat, Ekam Foundation and their field staff addressed the challenges that came with having to deliver the materials at a centralized drop-off location.
There was a rationalized distribution of these protective equipment across all the COVID centers in Gujarat.
In Tamil Nadu, team members of Ekam Foundation, just like all the other partners involved in the project, ensured that the needs assessment was conducted appropriately, vendor certifications were in place, and each distribution package was thoroughly sterilized.
I would like to thank Coca-Cola Foundation team who had come down to Chennai.
For relief efforts in Telangana, Nirman organization established partnerships with 4 key institutions in the state. It was only during one of these meetings with government officials that the need for disposable bed sheets and pillow covers in COVID hospitals came up.
This has become a demonstration of how the team has worked on the ground with the hospitals to understand the evolving needs and to address them from time to time.
The highlight of our work in Karnataka, carried out by Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, was a multi-stakeholder partnership that included elected representatives as well.
Participation and involvement of MLAs and corporators had a very positive impact on identifying the right frontline workers, quickly obtaining the permissions and delivering the items effectively.
Maharashtra was dealing with the worst COVID crisis of it all, with the epidemic becoming concentrated in the state's largest and densely populated urban centers, Pune and Mumbai.
When COVID-19 struck, the significance of what we could be heading towards was not lost on us. So we quickly pivoted our programs and also our teams and reached out to the municipal corporation and to the health departments to understand what best we could do.
At the end of 8 months, United Way Mumbai and Coca-Cola Foundation together helped over 1 lakh individuals get access to protective equipment that they would need to keep themselves and their community safe, while carrying out their duties with a sense of security and hope.
For us at Coca-Cola, this has been the most opportune moment to really live by our purpose, which is to refresh the world and make a difference. In this journey, we learned the power of partnership. United Way has been a great partner in really going and addressing the needs of frontline workers with us.
We would complement the work that was being done by the state government and by the municipal corporation, which was highly appreciated, not just by the hospitals but also by the municipal corporation health officials, who were very grateful for the support that we extended to the hospitals and to frontline workers. This was possible only because of the support that we received from Coca-Cola.